and get the decimal. 16 sine of 35 divided by 22. 0.4171. Well, I know I'm going to have an answer at least. It's less than 1, so we know we're good. We're going to have at least one triangle. How do you solve for theta? We do the inverse. Sine minus 1, 0.4171. Again, break out that calculator. Second sine. Now, if you want to get really specific, you can, instead of putting in the decimals, you can hit second and then negative. C-A-N-S. See, it's right there. It's right under the negative. So if I hit the second button and then this, it's taking this entire decimal and putting it into the inverse. 24.65. 24. Let's make it 24.7. 24.7 degrees. So we have at least one triangle, right? We have at least one triangle. The question is, do we have a second triangle? So I'm going to draw my two triangles over here. So this is the one I just got. 22. We have our 24.7, which I just found. 35 and 16. The question is it possible to make an obtuse triangle? So where this is my 24.7, this is my 35. Which one is 22? 22 and 16. The question is, can I make this triangle? Is this possible? Okay. So how are we going to find this angle right here? We subtract from 180. So 180 minus 24.7. And let's see, what do we get? 7, 9, 10, 3, 5, 5, 1. 155.3. So does this make a triangle? Will this make a triangle? It doesn't. How do you know? Well, number one, there's no way that 16 is across from 155, because this has to be the longest side. The longest side is across from the longest angle. So this doesn't even make sense. Secondly, what do these two angles add up to? They're bigger than 180. These two angles cannot be add up to greater than 180. Angles in a triangle have to be less than 180. Okay? So if I do that 155.3 plus 35, 0.309, that's 190. There's no way that's going to work. You can't have a negative degree. Okay? So what's the answer here? How many triangles can we make? We can make one. This is it. This does not work. So the answer is one triangle. Okay? And that's it. So find your angle. Can you make the obtuse triangle? Have a fabulous day.